I'm discuss about the alt tag here. Alt tag means write down alt text and nothing but alternative text in our website images name call alt text. Write down syntax image src is equal to dot jpg dot png dot gif images with using of double quotes. Alt is equal to double quotes name double quotes. This is the syntax. Every image source that may be JPG, PNG and GIF. JPG, PNG, GIF, that is called image format. JPG with the transparent, PNG without transparent, GIF is the animation image. That is called maybe 2 seconds to up to 10 seconds. Previous accept only for 2 seconds to maximum 3 seconds. Now accept up to 10 seconds also. That is called motion wave. That is called GIF, animated. Now clear? Now here, I'm discuss one website is called kuldipsetti.com here. We are in n number of images for suppose. Now how to search? Control U for page source. Control F. Now what is the image extension? .jpg. Here, any image we writing for alt tag here? Alt tag here? No. How to check alt missing or not? That is called, please write down any website for checking alt tags. For checking alt tags using for urank toolbar. For checking alt tag purpose using for urank toolbar. Now go to the Google search engine, install urank toolbar. The option call is SEO and website analysis with the Chrome Web Store access. SEO and website analysis. Now here, add to Chrome. After the click, this is called urank. This is called browser extension. This is called browser extension. Now here, just go to website, click for urank toolbar. Now see here, they check the website report. Now here, generate it now. So they're going to where? urank website. Your website report checking by urank toolbar. But right now I'm checking for alt tag missing. Now just scroll down here. Now look the screen. Title. How many characters? 76. Leave it. Edit tags. Now, how many images are there? Total 9 images. How many mixing for alt tag? 6. What's the image name? 01.jpg. It's clear? They're missing here. 6 image missing for alt tag. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same name, information given by here. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you click the see more, how many alt tag missing here? 6. Clear? Now I am writing for alt tag. Please write down how to write alt tag on your website. How to write alt tag on your website. Log in your cPanel. Log in your username and password. Go to File Manager. So, guys, look at my screen. Control U. Dot. You writing for any alt tag here? No. First is the old screen. Yes or no? Now here. Just cPanel. What option call is public underscore HTML. Three format always same. Login, file manager, public underscore HTML. After select your website. Now go to home page. Click for edit. Control F. What the format is? JPG. Now here. Writing a JPG here. So where is image source? Here is the image source. Where is the image source? Image source wise we writing for alt tag. Where? Image source purpose. Now for that it's clear. Where is image source here? So where I am writing for alt tag. Here I am writing for alt tag. Now this like the syntax alt is equal Kuldeep Sethi. Done. Now just copy here. Click here. Writing the first one. Done. Now save change. Here any option is there? Now refresh. Done. How much time taken for adding alt tag? Fraction of seconds. Now here. Next alt tag. Alt is equal to gym coach. Yes, second anything his name is there. Refresh. Done. Here I'm adding for capital. I'm using for small letter. So P which letter is there? Capital, not small. Done? Now, personal coach. Here. Save change. Done. Next one. So fitness trainer. Well, last one is the fitness. Suppose you have doubt. So I'm a fresher. I have to find out my image missing for alt tag. So who will writing this alt tag? You are decided by writing for alt tag. They implemented for developers. Here missing my alt tags. Write down this name for my image beside. Why? Every name they can capture by the alt. Where? Your search engine. Suppose here I'm going to the fitness trainer. I'm going to Google here. Search the fitness trainer. Now click for images. Image how to scroll my website. That's all image alt tag. Image alt tag. See this. What that? Fitness. What the name call is? Personal trainer exam. What is that name is? IFPA fitness is matched. They're showing for our fitness trainer. This will be promoted through the keywords. Without alt tag, promotion is zero for image marketing. So alt tag is very important. Every image is specific for alt tag. How to check? Simple one. You can go to page source, Control F, Alt. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 9. How many missing there? 6 will be missing, 3 will be okay. See, Alt, follow my Facebook. Alt, follow me Instagram. See, Alt here, missing the name. Which one is? Index, logo name is missing. What the logo name is? Kuldeep Setti. Now we are right here. So what is your task? Every email writing for specific alt name. Send to who? Developers. They are writing for your C panel. Now click for save. This will be somewhere missing for here. What is the missing here? Name. Yes or no? Now how to search? Go to here. Alt. Here. What is the name called? Kuldeep Sethi. Any name is there here? What is the line name? 43. Remember. Now click for save. Now refresh. Done here. This is for writing for alt tag. Every web page, open it, search for names wise. If any missing alt tag, write the every image we adding for alt tag for the each and every web page. Particular name. Suppose is a website design page. Writing for website design development, website design development company, web services, website development, web design, website design. These are all the alt names. The names will be highlighted by our image on Google search engines. It's clear? This is for alt tag. You're writing for alt tag your website. This is the manner using with the C panel.